I'm calling. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. Out. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it.
What a surprise! जब से मेरी शादी हुई है तो कभी नहीं आई ना मेरे घर. Hi, welcome home.
I'm actually capturing your
Zomato.
screen.
Because we're going to have a dine out situation happening.
मैं बाहर ही खड़ी रहूं.
Come on in.
Oh my god.
Zomato की delivery. आइए. Yeah.
Where is heaven?
All right. You better sit
Oh
down.
my lord. Hi heaven. What? Heaven. No, stay away, heaven. Good boy. Kirby, how was your day?
Today.
Yeah.
I can tell you.
All right. Thank you.
This I'll have to serve the full day. This is a big pizza, na? Tonight is cheat. Because of you.
What kind of a doorbell is this?
This is the camera bell.
Acha, it's a camera bell.
Very bad. We're having pizza.
It's okay. It's a Saturday.
But to compensate, I'm having an iced green tea. This is my favorite.
But is
by
that
the way.
cold or hot?
It's a cold brew.
Oh, it's a
It's
cold.
cold brew. It's called Ahmad tea. Iced tea cold brew. But it's green.
Nice.
So ये कट करेगा कैलोरीज. उल्लू ना बने. ये बकवास इंफॉर्मेशन है. हाय माय क्यूटी पाई. अच्छा चिकी का साथ नहीं छोड़ रहा है ये. चिकी.
He loves me.
PC, should I get you a burger?
But I have to say that I'm in love with that little window that you have to take your parcels. When it's home, it's pretty safe, you know, for the outsider to deliver
Yeah.
from that window.
Because he's a
they-
friendly dog.
No, but people are scared of dogs, yeah? Come on.
इसकी शक्ल देखो. शक्ल दिखा अपनी डफर. दिखा
लेकिन लोग बोलते हैं शक्ल पे मत जाओ.
अपनी अक्ल लगा.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये जो दिखता है ये है नहीं वैसा.
नहीं मेरा गुच्ची.
Ooh.
गुच्ची.
गुच्ची पुच्ची कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Now let's head to your kitchen
What I eat on a Saturday night.
with your sister.
Some brightness in the kitchen. See how I keep my kitchen so nice and clean.
Love it. Despite of your shoots and your stuff going on, busy life,
Right.
you've been really managing your house really well.
Thank you.
Even though you have a house manager, I have to say that you have taken over the duties.
Yeah.
And I also believe that you should be getting paid for that and not the house manager. Thank you.
Also because I'm a Virgo, so I like to keep everything spick and span. So
Yeah.
happens. Don't judge me by my clothes today for Saturday night.
But I think you should have really dressed up well because you invited me over.
अरे चलता है यार.
The fries, am I right?
Crispers. They're called crispers.
They're called crispers, okay.
Potato crispers.
Is that with the skin?
Yes. And with a dip.
Anything
Burger भी
with
नहीं खोली
potatoes.
मैं. Burger is for PC, by the way. She's been craving burger. It's
And
covered.
not a McDonald's burger, a proper
Different.
American burger full of cheese and meat and yeah.
Yeah. Would you like a fancy plate?
Heaven, there's nothing for you.
I'm an angel.
इस किचन में फिलहाल जगह नहीं है. I request कि आप बाहर
हाँ?
जाइए. The
क्या?
pizza looks really yum.
I'm
Try this.
wearing a lipstick right now. Just please, I'm done.
So you've got these
at this.
pink lips organically?
Does that lip balm show?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Looking nice. Oh, that's a lip balm or a lipstick?
So I can't reveal. Maybe in your next vlog, a little short will give you of what I did to get this pink lips.
I think you should come on YouTube and, you know, please educate your audience because they love your lip combinations and you're aware of that.
That can't happen. Not anytime soon, but never say never.
So, guys, Surbi has made nimbu pani for me.
Back. Heaven, back. Heaven, please, baby. Picho.
Chilling.
चीट करके बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा.
Cheating and chilling together.
Eating on food, but
Huh.
they have to make things specific.
And of course, some Netflix. See you later.
Alligator.
See you later, alligators. Hello. Hi, Heavu. No, baby. No. We just had amazing dinner full of calories. Like Surbi said, it was a cheat Saturday. And I was craving something icy because it's really hot. So she made a cold brew of which tea? Hibiscus tea? Lemon mint tea, green tea. But it's a cold brew full of ice and ice cold water and date syrup for that sweetness. Yeah, and what is she having? I don't know.
बस यार माफ करो गमछा लगाया हुआ है.
Oh my god, my cute sister. And this guy, 1 minute, let me show you what he's up to. बहुत दुखी है बेचारा, बहुत दुखी है, पता नहीं क्या हो गया.
There's a lake there, of course, Kawai Lake. पर वो भी नहीं. अरे you have the lake here on the screen.
Oh yeah, here it is. Anna, Heavu? He's checking out his girlfriend in the next building's window.
Aware, huh?
Mm.
Oi, Heavu. Heavy. Heaven.
So here my parents came to pick me up. It was 2 a.m. at night, and like my doctor had strictly advised me, no rides, no rickshaws, no cabs, nothing. So all I could trust was my family to drop me safely back home. Mine was a high-risk pregnancy, guys, and this was the last month, my 9th month going on, and yeah, I couldn't trust anyone else than my family to take me around. And yeah, it was a great time. Here you can see my dad loves Heaven. Heaven loves dad too.
क्या? मम्मी सौंफ जीरा कैसे बनाते हैं?
So it's time to leave now, another 10-15 minutes. My parents have come to pick me from Surbi's home. So yeah. Mom is doing some saunf jeera for Karan. It's like a digestive.
Keep your tummy strong. That's my mummy's nuska. सौंफ जीरा.
For cleansing.
आप बता सकते हो ये रेसिपी क्या होगी?
सौंफ जीरा is for cleansing, for bloating. मम्मी एक सेकंड, 10 लोग बात करेंगे तो किसी को समझेगा नहीं. For your gut cleansing, for bloating issues, for tummy clearing. Yeah. And also if you have motions, an upset stomach, that's when you can have saunf jeera. रोस्ट करना होता है. ठीक है, मैं आपको बाद में बता दूंगी. आप समझ गए ना. सौंफ जीरा रोस्ट करो, पीसो और चम्मच से खा लो और पानी पी लो. इक्वल क्वांटिटीज ऑफ सौंफ एंड जीरा.
मेरा बच्चा. पारी करो.
नहीं मत करो. I think he's a fan of dad. No, he's not a fan of anyone.
तू जब छोटा था ना मेरी गोद में आके बैठा था. तू छोटा था ना जब, तो मेरी गोद में आ जाता था.
चलो जिनी, बाय बाय करण.
That was legitness.
Okay. ये बहुत ही अच्छा रिएक्शन था. संजय होता तो क्या है ये? It's time to say goodbye. It's what is the time by the way? 1:20 a.m.
And I'm still struggling with
And she has gym tomorrow. A Sunday agenda to follow. Bye bye. Bye, Heaven. What happened? He's sad. He's sad that we're leaving.
खुश है कि जाओ मैं
Are you happy or are you sad? इसकी फेस रीडिंग सीखनी पड़ेगी डॉग्स की.
अंकल को फोन करके पूछिए.
Good night.
अंकल पापा ने कितनी दारू पी